Okay. Yeah, I can get out.
Right, please. All right. We're in a different time zone.
Okay.
Can you flip the camera?
I'll talk to you later.
All
Driving up here
right.
in Niagara Falls.
Right.
You're in my shot, man.
Like, how does it always keep running? We have no more water. And it gets down there, I just expect the water down there to be just running,
Yeah.
running, and nothing.
It's right. It's like it's barely moving.
Right, and look at this big old splash, and it's down the.
Read up on that.
Yeah, what's all the gunk?
I thought I'd see this. Where is he now? Did you get a close up on him?
Yeah, there you go.
I see him.
There you go.